everyone. Stage 9 ultimate workouts. Welcome to the 100-day journey. If you have just stumbled into this video, the YouTube channel, hashtag THE1SHAKES, hashtag never give up, hashtag we keep it going. We're on abdominal hits, stage 9. Let's get into it without further ado. The new addition, calling it the plank. Everyone knows it. Most of you that don't know it, I'm here to show you. Very, very easy. It's about holding and contracting those abdominal muscles and that really working in that core as we are at war with our core with the one shakes. Let's get into it. Not gonna make this too long. Everyone can do this exercise. It's all about how long you can hold it for. We're not gonna be doing too much. As I said, we are on stage 9, so we don't wanna go too far into it as we've got many stages yet to add. Let's get into it. Basically goes something like this. Right by your chest, your pec area. Hold it in, engage those abdominal muscles, and just hold there and get used to it. But ultimately, you want to get to straight line, holding those abdominals straight back, lower back, following right through. And this is your first plank. So that's the plank, the correct position. Get into it, let's do it together. We're working right through it. Abdominal hits, the 100-day journey. I'm the one shakes. Let's get it.